Who? Yes?
Huyo msee, ana branch Nairobi.
Baadaye inafaa kwa nayo Nairobi because
sasa shida ni akiwa na branch Nairobi itabidi atoke huko.
Yo guys, you see what the time? It is 4:12. Me and my girlfriend, there's somewhere we are going. See mama? There's somewhere we are going to do what? Check up. Appointment. So never mind which kind of appointment are we going to do, but we're just going to do what? We are going for appointment. Niambia sasa, waza.
Umefunga hii bag vipi?
No. Niko na slabu tu hapa. After nimefika Quickmart, then I will nitengenezea banana. See? Nitengenezea banana.
Yako ni mtoto.
From my girlfriend. Then I feel like eating Weetabix. I'm going to buy it right now. I'm coming from the other side. We are going this side. We are going to Nairobi. Then we book a bus to Kirinyaga, right? Kirinyaga County. But we are doing gym, we must do a walking or a morning what? Yeah, we must wake up every day early in the morning. We run kidogo, then we go back in the house. Sindio? My God, son. That's a dog. I've seen. But that's a dog. That's the dog. That's the dog. The king's got, yeah? Also, my girlfriend, she's saying that my banana was appetizer. So what do you feel like eating?
Just
warm water.
Also warm water.
Okay, but for now it's too early in the morning. The shops are closed. Let's go to the supermarket. At least they give you warm water. Yes? That is a soldier. Who is so afraid? Don't worry. Your hubby has a screwdriver here. It's a labutu. Don't worry. These are soldier. Yeah. I don't want to see my fucking face. Me and my girlfriend. Oh, only thing I want in life is best life for me and my girlfriend. Right? Don't worry. I have a screw. Here's my screw, and it's a weapon. Then, if someone attacks us right now, it's gonna be a weapon. So don't worry about my screw. It's gonna easy work to do. By that, I'm an electrician. Yeah, my girl here is a CNA. Mama, are you a CNA?
Hello.
Yeah, say hello.
Hi.
Yeah, my girlfriend is a CNA. And I, John Key, I'm electrical engineering. I'm electrical operation, electrical and electronic construction and installation engineering. So this I don't want to use this labu to fuck your fucking head. At least see the shop. It works 24 hours. Like seriously. Huh? This shop now is so crazy. So we are just me and my girlfriend, and there's another there. I don't know where he is going. Oh, he's running. He's doing morning workouts. No, but this seems like anakimbiza. Mama, be alert. Do you have your flat screw? No. What do you have? You have me? Okay, don't worry. I got you. I got your back, baby. I do what? I got you. Oh, because it's too early in the morning, then my shoes are attract sand because it's too early in the morning. Have you seen? What about your shoes? Can you stand? Stand a little bit, Mama. You see, these are my shoes. These are shoes. Why are you laughing? Go. Nakugonga kigani. Huh? What? Mimi siko mwa. Sasa kama ningekuwa nataka kutushoot. She already shoot us. Have you there's an aeroplane. It's going. It's flying or going. These are bish or rubbish truck. They are collecting takataka, the rubbish, the garbage, the garbage. That's a garbage truck. It is collecting the garbage. Yeah. Here there's a problem with that street light. You see it's blinking. So that's why we are in the dark side here, right here. Then there's lights in Belayet. No, I'm not like being there. I'm just trying to make my career to come true. I'm an electrician. Where? Have you forgotten you are applying oil in at yourself? So maybe it will. What is that then? Or it's lucky. I've seen 2 shops that are open. Even this one, it works 24 hours. But it is Jabba base. That's my fucking nigga. Mama, let's go this side. Wait, don't worry. You have me. You got... Don't you trust your man? Don't you trust your man? Okay, then trust me. If I will die, you continue with life, okay? Then... This place is so dark because you are using shortcut. You don't wanna use the long way. That's why it's so dark. Yeah. But you are passing by that corridor, then to take the other side. Then we continue the journey. Okay, let's go. Do you trust me now? I told you, you are safe, baby. That's a dog. Dog. Yeah. That's a dog. The dog's here. There's a truck here with a lot of bananas. I think they're from Kisii. Yeah. If you try to steal, they're gonna witch you. You're gonna be witched. Nope. People that maybe he thought maybe tunaenda far from here. Hey, we are going to wait for a bus. You're going to take long there. You do know? Eh? Do you have some cash? Sure. Me, I have it on my card, so it's so difficult because it's with the door right now. Aditao. But I'm going to eat what? Weetabix right now. Yeah. That's CCTV. That's my work. I usually install CCTV. The one that lighting there, that's CCTVs. Then there's samosa there. Vinyungu ya tishiranga mulyango. So you can steal our sila. Then someone come with the gun right here right now. Even Babu is awake. People that are awake. I thought I'm the first one. Even the people only work in front of us earlier than us. The only thing I want in life is of life for me and my girlfriend. Samosa World Kenya. Hey, they're selling samosa. If you want samosa, go and buy. Go and buy for me samosa, baby. Samosa is still open. And there is a main road. You see the car passing by. There's a main road. Then we have a quick mart there. So I'm going to buy vitamins. Are you okay? Mm-hmm. What's the problem? Your stomach is going to see fire. Thin down. Me, if I'll take tea right now, I won't drink because I don't. Those are not my things. It's too early for drinking tea for me. Maybe at 11, that's the right time to drink. We are together, baby. Don't worry. Because you are so emotional. Are you emotional? Are you emotional? There's a bus there. Go and book it. Me, I'm going to collect Weetabix. You just go and took the bus, okay? Go and book 2 places for me and you, okay? Okay? Okay, let me go and buy Weetabix. Go and buy a book for Matatu first. And go and take 2 places for me and you. Okay? Go. Let me go buy Weetabix, okay? I love you. I love you, baby. I love you. Okay. Here in the supermarket. I want to buy my wheat. I want to buy vitamins. The printers pending the supermarket. The printers pending the supermarket. So by tomorrow it's gonna be super cool. The only thing I've come to pick here it is Weetabix. Only Weetabix. Then the printers pending the supermarket. Let them do their job. Then I'll pass this side. Then I go to the counter. I pay. Then I go and meet my girlfriend. Then we go where we're going to Kirinyaga for her checkup. That's it. Now I'm going to meet my girlfriend. Share that bus. So I'm going to meet her so that we can go together. So this is Utawala to Nairobi Airways road. It's a one-way road. So let me go and meet my girlfriend. It is still at 4 very early in the morning. Yeah. So let's go, baby. Do you think that sijakuona? Are you Mama, we're gonna eat Weetabix, me and you, yes?
And don't eat without me.
So you don't want?
Let's go down at us born.
There's no problem. There's no problem if someone wanna see me. I'm trying to open the Weetabix. Are you okay? Why are you so clammy? You're so gloomy. Why so? You look so sad, like you're frowned. What's the problem? You mean?
I'm feeling cold.
You feeling cold? Are you crazy?
Unakaa
Here. You know why people wake up early in the morning to travel? Because of jam. Traffic jam. You got it?
Yes.
Why so gloomy?
I'm not gloomy, I'm feeling cold. Where's my phone?
I'm feeling cold. Are you feeling cold? And I'm here. Can I cuddle you?
You're eating Weetabix.
I'm eating Weetabix. Then hold on, let me finish. Then okay?